Dear friends, engineers, HVAC consultants, and MEP students, uh, welcome back to VK Jain Sir ki MEP classes. Now, in this particular module, we are to discuss expected HVAC performance as per ECSBC 2024. Dear friends, the Energy Conservation and Sustainable Building Code, in short ECSBC of 2024, which is the updated version of ECBC 2017, previously active. This particular code sets rigorous tiered performance standard for HVAC system in commercial building in India. The code aims to reduce cooling load by maximizing natural ventilation, controlling solar heat gain, and enforcing high efficiency equipment standards, typically delivering 30 to 50% energy saving compared to conventional buildings. Friends, uh, now we are discussing key HVAC performance requirements and tiers. These are: first, ECSBC compliant building, which is the baseline mandatory level, ensuring the minimum energy efficiency. Let me remind you, everybody, that ECSBC code becomes compulsory in case of all commercial building having a load of 125 kVA. The second one is ECSBC plus building, a higher tier designed for better efficiency. You can opt for this, but cost is involved. Similarly, Super ECSBC building provides the highest standard, pushing for maximum efficiency and sustainability. Friends, the following are the mandatory HVAC requirements. If your uh, air conditioned area is more than 1000 square meter, and if the building is multi-story, that is ground plus 15 and above, and if the electrical load requirement is more than 125 kVA. There are four mandatory requirements. System balancing. All HVAC system, air or hydraulic, must be balanced to ensure the required airflow and water flow rates, utilizing dampers, valves, and variable speed drives. Second mandatory are controls. Automatic control must be installed for climate control, including temperature control, humidity control, and operational time management. The next mandatory is equipment and efficiency. The code specifies minimum efficiency standard for chiller, VRV, uh, VR or VRF systems, split AC, and rooftop units based on Indian climatic zones. The fourth mandatory requirement is piping and ductwork must be insulated according to specified minimum thermal resistance R value. Now we are summarizing the key focus area for compliance. The first one is chiller performance. High efficiency is required for water cooled chillers. Second, ductwork and piping. Proper insulation and sealing are mandatory to prevent energy loss. Third, building management system integration. Building management systems are often required for monitoring and controlling HVAC operations in larger projects. In all cases, the air conditioning manufacturers provide their own building management system for controlling air conditioning parameters. The code emphasizes that building must be designed for performance, ensuring the HVAC system is not just efficient but also properly sized and controlled. This is the summary of expected performance as per ECSBC 2024. In case of direct type package cooling unit, should have efficiency equal to 0.94 to 1.4 kilowatt per ton. Let me remind you that direct type package cooling units are available in 30 to 120 T tons of refrigeration. Another system, which is chiller base, can have a full load efficiency of 0.6 kilowatt per ton for entire chiller plant. Friends, this is a very important table providing for different equipment classes the value of minimum COP, the value of minimum IPLB, and relevant test standard. I'll discuss uh, this one. Centrifugal water cooled chiller less than 530 kilowatt, that is less than 150 tons, should have a COP, coefficient of performance, 5.8, and minimum IPLB, uh, part load requirement, should have 6.09 IPLB, and relevant test standard is ARI 550/590 of year 1998. Friends, thanks for peacefully and constantly watching my presentation. Thanks once again from Engineer VK Jain, the technical MEP standard, the MEP expert declared by the government agencies. Okay, thanks once again.